Day 3 here. Just hiking into a new river, third day. Bit of effort here, but should be pretty good, hopefully. New water. Yo. We're just walking downstream. This is river number 3. Try to find some fish. We're trying to kind of get out of the way and so we don't spook some of these bigger pools, but this looks like amazing water.
Let's go.
Adam's got his fancy fish hat on today.
Ready. I'm ready.
Let's go.
It brings it.
Eddy?
Pretty stoked for today.
Yes.
Yeah, we're catching fish.
Yes, we will. See you later.
The blue duck just on the shore there, Theo. It's actually the 6th one we've seen, which is pretty cool. They're, yeah, endangered, so. Just on the rock right here. This lake of a pool marks our first fishing spot, and we're gonna start going up, and 2 more blue ducks there, so that makes 8, which is pretty cool. Insane water. Adam's just throwing a couple deep nymphs in through here, and then we're gonna carry on pretty quick because we don't see anything. Late start, so gotta cover some water. Beautiful spot though.
Oh, that's a happy boy. Look at that fish. Ooh, yeah. Butter.
Oh, good. The dry fly. I was on one side of the river, the boys were on the other.
Yeah, it took him a little downstream. Had a nice fight.
See ya, buddy.
Boom, nice, well done.
First one of the day. Let's go.
Let's go. Many more to come.
These guys were just about to cross over onto my side and go up this branch over here, and Eddy just made a blind cast and got one on. Fucking right. Good fish too.
Nice, man. Some nice fish.
Bugger. So the boys were on that side, and I spotted a fish about parallel from Adam here, and took my nymph. Absolute beautiful fish. We're just deciding if we want to actually eat the guy. Nice, beautiful fish.
Curtis ended up spotting a nice looking feeding fish down at his feet, and we decided we're gonna have him for dinner. So making it quick with the knife, and then yeah, we'll stash him for the day and get him on the way out.
Adam figures he just seen a rise in here. Adam's a bit gutted because he doesn't have a fish today yet.
Eddy, could you help run that out? We would have walked past him.
Yeah, Adam was just blind fishing here, and yeah, fish come up out of kind of nowhere, eh?
Yeah, I saw a rise. These are nice fish too. I mean, yeah, he's about the same size as the one you caught, I think. He's hot though.
Healthy fish.
Yeah. Ah, look at this one. Yeah.
Pretty cool spot to bloody get a fish.
Definitely.
It's actually quite a nice fish, man.
He's got a little weight to him. I can pull him towards you and get his head off.
Do you want me to come behind you?
Maybe. Yeah, go for it. Hold on, Mom. Let me pull his head out. Go for it.
Yeah, buddy.
Nice!
Yeah. Now you can't cry about not catching a fish.
I know. Damn it. Oh shit! he's just going away. He's taking the net with him.
Trying to pull a runner. Let's give it away just to see.
I'd say 4.5. Well,
You're bang on. Yep. Alright, go for it. Adam's got a fish right up here on this white rock. Gonna come up for that? Yep. Yeah. What the hell, Adam? What the fuck was that?
You missed it. You can check the footage. He missed, Kurt, he missed.
Are you sure?
Yes, he missed the first one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to check the footage on this
let's
one.
check the footage.
He came.
Gonna come up for that? Yep.
Yeah.
What the hell, Adam? What the fuck was that?
You missed it. You can check the footage. He missed, Kurt, he missed.
Are you sure?
Yes, he missed the first one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to check the footage on this
let's
one.
check the footage.
He came back, he missed the first one. He came back and then grabbed it, and that's when I set the hook.
Yeah, that's 2 against 1, bro.
Yeah.
You didn't see what I saw.
That's 2 against 1.
You guys wouldn't have had
We had bird's eye view, brother.
You guys wouldn't have had this fish if you would have pulled it on the first time.
We'll check the footage.
Check the footage. Jesus, he's all over the place. He's hot. And I still missed him on the dry.
Yeah, I think he took the dry and then you slipped it through his mouth is what happened.
Wait, check the footage.
Oh, I'm gonna.
I know exactly what happened.
You need a hand?
Yeah, he's still on.
Do you need help? What the hell?
He's a good fish. He's
old.
he's a battler, yeah.
Yeah.
But
Still pretty good condition though.
yeah.
Nice, man.
Not a bad fish. You want to give him a kiss? Come on, Eddie. Yeah.
Nah.
You ready? Actually, thanks for the net. Go for it. Yeah, that's all right. Nice!
Yeah.
Nice! Well done.
I just can't believe we didn't see that off the bat.
I literally looked at the pool like... You got him?
I think so, yeah.
Oh! Oh! Kurt going down. Whoa. It's actually a nicer fish than I thought.
It's higher up in the water column there. I agree.
Can you lift his head back? Nice boy.
Awesome. Sick take.
Yeah, amazing. Nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah, good fish. You ready?
Yeah. Nice.
Well done.
We got a fish right here. We're trying to get Eddie on one here.
Oh, stop, stop. Yep, yep.
Yeah!
Yep. Yes!
Yeah, baby! Fuck, that came way over!
You alright?
You look shook, Eddie.
I think he's really tired. I'm not sure if he's happy or not. I can't tell.
Wait. I still have to decide.
Okay, alright. He's all business until it's in the net, alright? Jesus, that thing wanted that.
Oh yeah!
I really
He nearly jumped out of the water for it.
It did jump. It kind of splashed.
Yeah.
So, can you pick him up? Can you bring his head up again?
Yeah, baby!
Let's go! And there you go.
Beautiful.
All right. You get him to send off. Hold on, Kurt, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Just get. Good job, bro. Yes. Let's
Mission
go.
accomplished. Let's go. Good fish right under this whitewater here. Adam's just gonna throw a dry at it now. Rolling.
He's right there. I got him.
We thought we spooked him, and he kind of appeared out of nowhere on Adam's fly. Nice. That's a good fish.
He's spicy.
Yeah. Yeah, he's going.
He is everywhere, man.
Another broken rod?
I heard something.
Log?
You might have to hold this. Just hold it, let the line go. Oh wait, he's off. He was in the log, man.
Yeah, I seen that.
Fuck, yeah, that's a broken rod. Jesus.
That's number 2 for Adam. Fuck. Devastating.
Ah.
That's tough. Yeah. Here's Adam with his big
Oh,
fish.
man, it was a tough fight,
Yeah.
but you know, it was really good.
Second broken rod of the trip.
Man, I think I'm gonna let this beauty go. Well, it takes a little to revive a little bit.
That's devastating.
Dude. Pretty sure you
That was
can like
wild.
go and get that.
It's our final day here. Chopper's coming in at 3, so we're just gonna refish some of the water we fished on the first day. That very first fish we seen that Eddie went for, we found him again up here, so Adam's just trying to sneak in and make a cast at him. I got the rifle, just try to bowl over a goat or two, get a bit of meat to bring home.
That little stick sticking up to move into the bank.
Oh yeah, I see him there.
I think he might be caught,
Yeah. Absolutely gorgeous day. Freaking good. This is right where we spotted some goats the first day, so we're just coming in slow here. Got the rifle ready. We've come back to the same water where we were seeing a bunch of fish on the first day, which was 2 days ago. We haven't seen a single active fish yet, which is a bit concerning. We haven't lost hope yet, but yeah.
Not the best start.
No, it's not looking too good. Oh well, push on. Alright, we just called her a day. Final day here.
I don't know, a lot of learning, which is actually really good.
Yeah.
Don't want to come into a really big backcountry mish after people have been there recently. So yeah, no, but it's a good day. Weather turned out all right.
Really nice.
So yeah.
Our helicopter's gonna be here in about
An hour?
an hour or two, yeah.
So
better get
yeah.
packed up.
That's right. Let's do it.
Here we go, we're all packed up. Feels like we just got here.
Yeah.
Hear the heli coming in now. Adam?
Man, it's been a hell of a weekend. We didn't smash the fish, but we had a lot of shots and it's been a lot of fun. Eddie got a few nice fish.
Eddie?
It was a great weekend. Enjoyed fishing, going around like saddles and like bush bashing. Back in New Zealand after a year and a half. That's really great to do that.
Been awesome. Here he comes.